Mary said yes, before she understood what that yes would cost her. I want to understand everything before I trust you, to have the plan before I say yes. But she simply said, I am the servant of the Lord. Let it be done to me according to your word. Teach me that same trust, to say yes before I see the whole road, because I know who is walking beside me.